Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Sharma, your maths teacher. As you can see in the page, we have already learned that maths is very much important for us. We have done brief description of Hindu-Arabic number system, comparison of numbers, face value and place value. So here in this lesson, we will deal with larger number, types of number and the difference between both the types. We will also see how do we write large number in words. So before going ahead, let us first look at the number list which you can see on the screen. Now from where does our number starts? It naturally starts from 1. So that's where we start counting numbers. What do you see? Here the numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10 and so on. So gradually what you see? As your number list keeps going, the number of digits in your number keeps increasing. So you start with 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10, 11, 12 and then finally you reach to 99. Then you will go to 100. Like this the list is unending. It means we have infinite number of number possible. Now what you observe is as the number of digits increases, number as a whole becomes greater. Means if you compare any number like 11 and 1001, so which one is greater? Obviously 1001 is greater because it is having greater digits. Now look at this table. We have a certain observation. Now if I ask you which is the largest 2-digit number, what would you say? The largest 2-digit number will definitely be 99 because after 99 you have a 3-digit number. Similarly, if I ask you which is the greatest 4-digit number, so that would again be 9999 because after this you have a 5-digit number. Similarly, if I ask you which is the smallest 3-digit number, that is nothing but 100. And another interesting thing that we observe is all these numbers, how are they created? They have been created with digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are the digits with the help of which these numbers have been made. Can you tell any number without these digits? No. So that's again a beautiful thing. Now we are moving forward towards types of number. There are 2 types of numbers as you can see here. One, Hindu-Arabic number system, also called the Indian system of numbering, and second, the international system. First we will understand about Hindu-Arabic number system or Indian system of numbering. Let us look at this table. It shows the periods, the places and the place values. The 5-digit numbers are placed in the ones and the thousands periods. The 6 and 7-digit numbers are placed in the ones period, the thousands periods and the lakhs period. According to the Indian system, the ones period consists of the places ones, tens, hundreds. The thousand periods has 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. And the lakhs period also have 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now Let us learn to read and write numbers using the Hindu-Arabic number system. We write the number in the standard form using commas and read them using periods. Let us take an example to understand it in a better way. This is a 7-digit number and is placed in the ones, the thousands and lakhs periods. Remember this thing: while inserting commas, we count the digits from right to the left. So we insert the first comma between the third and fourth digit. That is where the ones period ends and the thousand period start. Next, a comma is inserted between fifth and sixth digit. That is where the thousand periods ends and lakhs period starts. Now you can see that we have formed the standard form of a number: 23, 64, 157. Step 1. We read this number using 4 steps. Step 1. How many lakhs? The number has 23 lakhs. Step 2. How many thousands? The number has 64 thousands. Step 3. How many hundreds? The number has 100. Step 4. We read the last 2 digits, tens and ones together. That is 57. We read this number as 23,64,157, like this. Let us try one more example. We write this number 700322. We read this number as 7,322,000. Did you notice here? We did not read the zeros, but we did write them to show the place values. Its number name is 7,322,000. Now we will understand about international number system, that is worldwide. Look at this table. It shows the periods, the places and the place values. In this system, the 6th digit number are placed in the one and the thousands periods. The 7-digit numbers are placed in the ones, the thousands and the millions periods. Here each period consists of 3 places. The ones period consists of ones, the tens and the hundreds. The thousand period consists of the thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. And the million periods has millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Since we are studying number up to 7 digit in this grade, we will learn only up to millions places. Now let us learn to read and write numbers using the international system. We write the numbers in the standard form using commas and read the number using the periods. Look at the examples on the board. We begin from the right and insert a comma after every 3 digits. That is, we divide the number into its periods, then read each period separately. So we write the number in standard form as 1, 347, 821, and we read it as 1,347,821. this number name as written like this. Similarly, we can write 7-digit number in this standard form using the periods. Example 8,400,307. Place the digits in the place value chart starting with 8 million in the millions period, next 400 in the thousand period, and 307 in the ones period. Here also we write the number in the standard form as 8,400, 307. Let us try one more example. We write this number in standard form as 3,000, 843. We read this number 3,843,000. Did you notice here? We did not read the place value of the zeros, but we did write them to show the place value. Its number name is 3,843,000. The greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. And when 1 is added to it, we obtain the smallest 8-digit number. As you can see, we write it as this 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and we read it as 1 crore. Similarly, the greatest 8-digit number is 9,99,99,999. And when 1 is added to it, we obtain the smallest 9-digit number like this, and we write it as 10, 00, 00, 000, and we read it as 10 crore. If 1 added to the greatest 7-digit number 9,999,999 gives the smallest 8-digit number, we write it as this 100, 000, 000, and we read it as 10 million. Similarly, 1 added to the greatest 8-digit number 99,999,999 gives the smallest 9-digit number. We write it as this 100, 000, 000, and we read it as 100 million. We have already studied the ordering of number in a previous classes. Today, let us learn ordering 8 and 9-digit numbers. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Arrange the given set of number in ascending and descending order. Step 1. Write the number in place value chart. Out of the 4 numbers, 3 numbers have 8 digits, whereas 1 number has 7 digits. Step 2. Identify the smallest number by comparing the number of digits in each number, a number with the less digit is smaller than a number with more digits. Hence, the smallest number is 50,25,249. Step 3. Identify the greatest number by comparing the greatest digit by comparing the digit in the crores place. Here, amongst the digits 6 and 9 in crore place, 9 is the greatest digit. Hence, the greatest number is 9 crore 43 lakh 90,177. Step 4. Compare the remaining members as in the first number and the second number crores place is the same. So let us compare the 10 lakhs place. Here 5 is greater than 3. Hence 6 crore 53 lakh 68,719 is greater than 6 crore 36 lakh 57,978. Step 5. To write a set of numbers in ascending order, start with the smallest number and end with the greatest number. That is, we place numbers in the ascending order or increasing order of their respective values. The ascending order is 50 lakh 25,249, 6 crores 36 lakh 57,978, 6 crore 53 lakh 68,719, 9 crore 43 lakh 90,177. Step 6. Descending order. Start with greatest number and ends with the smallest number. That is, place numbers in the decreasing order of their respective values. Descending order: 9 crore 43 lakh 90,177, 6 crore 53 lakh 68,719, 6 crore 36 lakh 57,978 and 50 lakh 25,249. Now let us take another example. Arrange the given numbers in the ascending and descending orders. Firstly, write the given number in the place value chart. Now let us find the smallest number by comparing the number of digits in each number. Here the smallest digit is 80 lakh 23,467. Digit 7 being the greatest digit among all the digits in the crores place, we get the greatest number as 7 crore 45 lakh 78,365. Now compare 30,000 and 60,000, as here the first three digits are the same in these two remain numbers. Here 5 crore 60 lakh 34,500 is lesser than 5 crore 60 lakh 67,789. Thus, the ascending order is 80 lakh 23,467, 5 crore 60 lakh 34,500, 5 crore 60 lakh 67,789 and 7 crore 45 lakh 78,365. The descending order is 7,45,78,365, 5,60,67,789, 5,60,34,500, 80,23,467. Now we are moving forward to expanded notation. What is expanded notation of a number? It's mean the writing the number as the addition of the place value of its digits. Let us write the expanded notation of the number 32,60,458. Step 1. First we write the given number in the place value chart as 3 in 10 lakh place, 2 in lakh place, 6 in 10,000 place, 0 in 1000 place, 4 in 100 place, 5 in tens place, and 8 in ones place. Step 2. We find value of 3 digit is 30 lakhs. The place value of 2 digit is 2 lakh. The place value of 6 digit is 60,000. The place value of digit 0 is 0. The place value of 4 digit is 400. The place value of 5 digit is 50. The place value of 8 digit is 8. Step 3. Write the number as the sum of the place value of its digit, that is 30,60,458 is equals to 30 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 60,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8, which is the expanded notation. As there is 0 in thousands place, we do not include it in the expanded notation. Now, let us try some more examples. Look up the number 4,63,871. We write the number in expanded notation as 4 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 1. Next is the tricky one. 70 lakh 6,309. We write it in expanded notation as 70 lakh plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 9. Here there are 0 lakhs, 0 10,000 and 0 tens in the given number. So we do not include them in the expanded notation. It was so easy to learn, isn't it? See you in the next video with the remaining topics. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.